Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily save WhatsApp PDF into your phone gallery. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open WhatsApp application on your device. Go to chat section and click on any one of the conversation. Click on the icon name and go to media visibility. Make sure the option of default yes has been chosen. After that, now all the files sent in this chat will be automatically downloaded to your device. After that, go to settings of your WhatsApp device and go to storage and data. Scroll below and you will see three options there. For using mobile data, simply click on it and choose the option of documents and click on OK. After that, in Wi-Fi you can see all has been selected already. In roaming, again choose document and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.